A recipe for bourbon and brown sugar sweet potatoes. Now this is a recipe that my mother makes every Thanksgiving, and it's always a hit. So to get started, notice that we've got our egg set up at 350 degrees. Show the top vent and the bottom vent. It's a little windy today, so bear with us on the sound. But we're also going to be cooking direct on the enameled cast iron Dutch oven. Notice that set up. Okay, and so let's dig right into this. So to begin, we're going to mix all of our liquids and our seasonings. So we already have a cup of water, and to that we're going to add we're going to add 2 cups of our orange juice. Two cups orange juice. There. And then we're also going to add, it's going to be about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now, while I was letting the Dutch oven heat up, I did peel and cube the sweet potatoes, and that was 5 sweet potatoes for this recipe. So let's get our cinnamon in there. That's probably plenty. It's about a half teaspoon of salt. Give you a couple splashes of vanilla extract. You can use real vanilla too. Peel them beans. Okay, we also need it's going to end up being about 2 teaspoons of orange zest. Okay, got all that in there. Give it a little bit of a stir. Because the next step, we're going to pour this into the Dutch oven. So like I said, we have this Dutch oven preheating. It'll help us cut down on the cook time a little bit. Put that in there, and you're going to add your brown sugar. Give that a nice stir so it's all evenly mixed together.
It smells good already.
Next step, you're going to add your sweet potatoes. Now to get started, that's about the right amount of liquid to sweet potatoes, because what we're going to do is this is going to come up in temperature, and it's going to start to simmer the sweet potatoes while it reduces the sauce down into kind of a syrup. It's going to simmer for about 20 minutes or until the sweet potatoes are tender. So we're going to let that cook, and we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, everybody, we're back. It's been about 20 minutes that we've been cooking our bourbon and brown sugar sweet potatoes. Let's get that lid off and see where we're at. All right.
Oh wow, that smells good.
Let's use our spoon, just give it a little, see how the sweet potatoes are doing. Yeah, they look good. They're mostly tender. It's not finished cooking completely yet, so they're in a good spot. Now, you can't have bourbon and brown sugar sweet potatoes without the bourbon. So today we're going to be using Knob Creek Smoked Maple Kentucky Straight Bourbon. And I would say, do it to your taste. I'm probably going to use, let's shoot for half a cup. I think that's
Actually, the potatoes likes that.
Yeah, there's a lot of aromas going on in there. And the last ingredient that we'll be adding is our butter. So you're gonna wanna, just break up your butter. Back on so handle a Dutch oven. So now we're going to let that continue to cook with the lid off for another 15 minutes. And we'll be back again in just a second. All right, everybody, we're back. And we're ready to show you the finished product. The finished bourbon and brown sugar sweet potatoes. Oh, that looks good. All right, let me give it a quick stir. Now that sauce is still pretty thin right now just because it's so hot. But once you let this cool down for a bit before you serve it, it'll thicken up. And it'll coat all those sweet potatoes. All right, Kenny, if you'll come around the other side, I'll try and pour. Might stand back just a little bit. Ooh.
That smells amazing.
Look at that, can't you
It all
imagine
fits.
that next to some stuffing and a big old fat turkey leg?